Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll explain how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your Fampay wallet step by step. A direct transfer isn't possible because PayPal and Fampay aren't integrated, but you can still move your money easily using a simple two-step process. First, you'll need to transfer your funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. Open PayPal on your browser or mobile app and log in to your account. Next, go to your Wallet section. If you're using the app, just tap on your PayPal balance. Now choose Transfer Money and then select Withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. Pick the bank account you want to transfer to, enter the amount, and confirm. You can choose a standard transfer, which is free and takes 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer, which comes with a small fee. Once confirmed, your money will arrive in your bank account. Now for the second step, adding money to your Fampay wallet. Open the Fampay app on your mobile device. Select the option to add money to your wallet. Choose your bank account as the source of funds. Fampay supports UPI and other bank transfer methods. Enter the amount you'd like to add and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once done, the money will appear in your Fampay wallet. And that's how you transfer money from PayPal to Fampay safely and easily.